Hello everyone. Now let's discuss the topic of System Development Life Cycle (SDLC). So on this I discussed the definition of SDLC as System Development Life Cycle. The System Development Life Cycle (SDLC) is a process used to plan, develop, test, and deploy the information system. It ensures systems are built efficiently and meet the user requirements. Stages of system development life cycle. So the first stage of SDLC like planning, second is this analysis, third design, and fourth is implementation, fifth is maintenance. So let's have one by one discuss all the stages of SDLC. Planning. So the purpose of planning is identify the project scope and feasibility. Some key of activities that will define the planning. Define the project goal. So first we need for planning we can define the project's goal. Second, identify the requirement resources. Third, create a project schedule. Outcome of this planning, a project plan with clear objective. So we can create any project. Firstly we can identify the plan, firstly we can create a project planning to define the project's goal, need of requirement of resources and different things. So second is the analysis, purpose to understand the system requirements. Key activity, gather and document user needs. Analyze the current system for gaps, create detailed functional and requirements. Outcome of this analysis is a requirement specification documents. Design, the purpose, create a blueprint for project. So the on the part of stage of design we can create a blueprint for the system. The key activities of design: first, develop the system architectures, design user interface and data flow, choose the technologies and tools. So the on the portion of design part with some key activities like design the user interface and develop the system architecture. So firstly we develop our system architectures, design the user interface, see what the interface user can see in our projects. And data flow, data flow is a part of like flowing the data from one to another. For example, if the first page is a login, so we can pass the session from login data to another page. So one by one we can pass data, so we can maintain the flow of data. Choose the technologies and tools. In our project development we can choose our technologies and tools for that we use in our projects. Outcomes, the system design specifications. The fourth stage of SDLC like implementation. So the purpose, build and deploy the system. So the key activities of write and test the code, integrate the system components, install the system for user. So the on the part of like implementation, write and test the code. If you can develop design is completed for our project, next fourth step for implementation. On implementation we can write the code of our project and integrate the system components, install the system for users, and properly system will be working there on node. And outcome for a function system is ready for use. So the next stage of SDLC, maintenance. So the purpose of maintenance, ensure the system remains the functional and efficient. Key active, fix the bug and issues. If you can develop your project, so we can check the project has been proper working or not. So check the fix our bugs if any bug will come, and issues, resolve the issue related to our projects. Update the system for new requirement. As for new requirement for user, so you can update the system as for user requirement. Monitor the performance and security any project and secure your data. So the purpose stage of the on the maintenance, that performance and security has is a proper, we can check for this. And outcome of this system, a system that adapt to changing the needs over time. Key benefits of system development life cycle SDLC. The first key benefit of SDLC, ensure a systematic approach to develop, reduce the errors and project risk, improve the communications between stakeholders, produce the high quality system to meet the user needs. So there are some key benefits of our SDLC system development life cycle. Thank you.